what they have and whether we are
to confirm to this committee that we did not evict anyone from Buhweju. We did not. When people of Buhweju had information, they got information before that Mineral Police wants to come to Buhweju. So,
but if you can clearly...
I am...
Mr. Chairman, we are on the ground. We are on the ground, but she has continued to tell us lies. And she took oath. Mr. Chairman, really.
That's her version.
The witness is lying under oath.
Chair.
The witness is lying under oath. And therefore we cannot say we proceed, we give backgrounds when it is clear that the witness has lied under oath.
That they were given 2 hours to vacate their mining areas. Most of them, they ran and left their properties in there. And Mr. Chairman, we were there. We even saw all those mining areas guarded by the police. If they did not evict them, if there was no eviction, what were they guarding there?
Now, in the circumstance that you're lying under oath, I have no option but to hand you over to the Superintendent of Parliament. For you, first of all, to make a statement on what exactly happened, but also for any further action that may need to be taken. But we haven't done with you yet, and I think you'll be coming back next week.
Hey, you are so screwed. Look what happened.